blood creeping up from the heathens, God.
Today I am going to share with you guys how to trade M pattern in the market. All right, so as you can see right now on my chart, you can see this first leg of M, and this is a full confirmation of M, guys. All right, so I am going to walk you through on how to trade and the requirement, the things that you really need to look out for before you open a position when trading any of the L pattern, any of the M pattern leg. All right, so now, not just because that you spot that, okay, probably this first leg of M has formed, and this V here, I normally advise that nobody should trade this particular neck of this W or M's. All right, so because you don't really know how far this is going to last, and do not just spot because you see that this particular formation is completing and you just jump into the market. You might not even know if this particular M is an extended M. If it is an extended M, it means from this particular zone that you are going to open a position towards sell, it will continue going up and you'll be losing money from this zone up. It will continue going up because it is an extended M. But when you are trading this perfect M, the clear perfect M this way, all right, when you are trading the clear perfect M this way, I am going to walk you through on how to. Even though as you are looking at it, probably by now you'll be thinking that, okay, I do not need to do a video around this, but I am going to walk you through things that you don't know about how to trade the second leg of M or first leg of M. All right, because I normally advise do not go for the first leg because you don't really know if it is truly the M that is forming. All right, so you just have to wait for you to complete this first leg and complete this neck and all this. Then at the descending of the second leg, that is when you are going to open your position. And before you open that position, you are going to know the particular place that you are going to open those positions from. Not just because you spot that this particular M is forming and you just jump into trade. All right, so I am going to walk you through how and the things that you need to know. You can see that, for instance, this particular place, this market is consolidating at that zone. You understand? So many people will close their position at this zone, but I'm going to show you how to do that. All right, so now, according to what I was saying, sorry about that, according to what I was saying, I am going to walk you through the requirements that you need to really open your position here. As you can see at this zone here, the market has been consolidating at that zone. And if you don't know how to trade this, or you don't know what this trading of M pattern is all about, you are going to exit your market at this zone. All right, so but I am going to show you the secret that many people will never ever share with you. All right, so that is how it is. And if you are getting value from this video, which I myself is getting enough value from this, be sure to smash that like button, and also do me that favor and smash that subscribe button. It's very important for this channel to grow. And also be sure to turn on your notification bell so that whenever I share valuable content like this, you'll be among the first, as YouTube is going to pop a notification to that I have shared another powerful content. Now let's dive full into what you need to know before opening your position on trading of second leg of M. All right, so now whatever I am explaining to you guys here right now concerning the M pattern is also applicable on W pattern. So what you just need to do right now, since you have seen that this leg is forming, or this leg is descending, or this particular place, the market is has been consolidating at that zone, what you just need to do once you get to this place, just come to this place, this your tools here, pick your tools, then mark this place, guys. All right, mark this place, then you go back to that tools you pick, you mark this particular place here. Now these particular two places that you marked, this is the pure consolidation zone of this particular second leg, because if this market has to drop the same way that this first leg moved from this place here to up, it means every one of us or everybody will be making money. You will just wait for this pattern and you place a trade and you'll be making money. But what you don't really know is that the market makers must make money. All right, the market makers must make money. All right, it's called the liquidity providers. They must make money. All right, so you are not the only one that is hungry of money, so they are going to make their own money. So what they are going to do, since they have front you with this particular first leg, and the full confirmation or full pattern of this M has been fully formed, and you see this second leg coming. So many people will hop in from this particular place here. Once you hop in at this zone, then you'll be hoping to ride this down to this place. And once this market gets to this particular consolidation zone that we marked earlier on here, that we marked at this zone here, then as soon as it starts consolidating at this zone, you see how many times it hits up and down there. Let me clear this. You can see this here. All right, you can see this hitting here, and you see this here, and you see this hitting here, and you see this here. So many people, once you see this first hit upward, and it comes down to this place and goes up again, many people are going to close their position on this second bouncing here. All right, many people are going to close their position on this second retesting of this place that serves as resistance here. Why? Because the fear of, okay, this is volatility, and it can take me out of trade, and it can lead to the account blowing. So now many people will say, okay, since I've made some profit from this zone here to this particular place that the market is consolidating, let me take my small profit and leave the market. That is why I said you just need to learn how to do all these things properly before you will hop into trading. It is very, very important that you learn how to trade profitably and successfully before you embark on trading. All right, when I will be talking of mentorship program, many of you will be thinking that you want to give me money. You are not giving me money. The amount that I'm making every day is okay for me, but I'm trying to help you out here. So now, had it been you are you know all these things that I want to emphasize on right now, you will stay patiently on this trade. All right, the only thing that you're going to do is for you to move your stop loss from probably somewhere here that you set your stop loss before. You move it closely to this place. By so doing, even if this market pulls back to this level or this particular place, you are not going to lose money. Rather, you have made a little profit here, which you have trapped somewhere here. All right, so now what you just need to do after marking these two particular these two things here that you are seeing, rejection, that is market has been consolidating at this zone. So now the next thing that you are going to do, you see this wick that you are seeing under here. All right, this week, and this is 1 hour time frame. You can see this here. This is 1 hour time frame. You are going to go to your 1 minute time frame and mark this particular thing. All right, this particular thing, because why this market is forming weak here, when you look at this side here, when you look at your left hand side, you will see that all these places that you are seeing here, the market was rejecting at that zone. So that was the reason you are seeing this happening at this zone. So it needs to the sellers need to have that power to break even from this place. All right, so before the market will drop to complete this formation, which is definitely going to happen. So the only thing you're going to do right now is for you to fall back to your 1 minute time frame. Once you fall back to your 1 minute time frame, you'll be able to see this movement clearly, and you'll be able to see this wick clearly, and you see the correspondence of this wick at this zone. All right, so now I am going to 1 minute time frame. You click here, you go to your 1 minute time frame. You can see this here, guys. All right, these are those things that we marked. You can see this. These are those things. You see those movements that you were seeing on that 1 hour time frame. If I move this market backward, you will see it. So many people will not endure that. As you saw it when I was explaining it, it was very, very tiny. Let's go back to 1 hour. Let's see. You see this place, this place here, this particular thing that you are seeing here, that is those many things that you are seeing, those many candles that you have been that you were seeing right now that I was showing you guys. This small place that you are seeing, that is what you are seeing here on 1 minute. These things, all right, all these many things that you are seeing, all are under that same small place that are marked. All right, so now this is where you are going to mark the second stuff here. You are going to mark your second marking here. You pick this. Let's say I pick this, I mark this at this zone, then I go back to that place here, I pick my 2, I come back to this place, I place it here. All right, once I place it here, what I should, or what I will be waiting for, is for this particular market movement here to break this particular thing here, this support here. Once it breaks this support here on 1 minute time frame, and any candle that closes below this particular, you can see that this market is coming back to this place. But if you don't know this particular place, you will open for buy. All right. If you scan for buy here, probably this market is going to this place and it will come back. It will continue forming W and M. Look at this here. All right. That is the pattern, or that is the movement of the market. So now once this particular movement gets to this particular support here, and any candle that closes outside this particular support here, that is when you are going to open your position towards sell. For now, you just have to wait patiently for all these things that is happening here. You just have to wait patiently. As soon as any candle closes below this support here, another candle forms below this support. As soon as any candle closes below this support and another one formed below this support and start going back down, that second candle, that is when you are going to open your position towards sell. You are going to open your position towards sell. All right, towards sell. That is what you are going to do. Why? Because already you have seen that on higher time frame, which is your 1 hour time frame, this particular movement needs to complete this the first leg of this M to complete the proper M. It can never reverse at this zone. So that is how to trade this M's and W. And for a clear confirmation or proper confirmation, you can add a moving average. Let me say you add probably you use a 92 moving average exponential and choose color of your choice. That is it. You click this. Once you get to you look at this here, you see what I'm saying. You look at this particular the price action is below this our moving average. This our 92 moving average, and then look at what we just draw at that 1 minute time frame. You can see properly that once this market closes below this, that is to say the power of sellers has overcome or surpassed the power of buyers. So they have broken this particular structure at this particular zone here, which is this place that the market has been consolidated. So once this particular candle breaks below this particular trend line, or this particular thing that we mark as support here, this particular one here, and any other candle that forms below this place, that is when you are going to open your position and roll it to this place here. As simple as that, guys. That is how to trade it. When we go back to the 1 minute time frame, you will see why it's very, very important for you to wait. You see this, all right? Without knowing all these things that I explained now, by now you would have seen that, okay, on 1 hour time frame, that this market is selling. All right, you jump into it, and when it goes to lower time frame, like 1 minute, you will see that this market is buying. You see this here. So that is how all these things work. So you just need to wait patiently for this particular movement here to get to back of or the below or outside this support line here. As soon as it closes outside this support line, that is when you are going to open your position and allow your position then to run to this particular zone here. Then you take your profit, you leave the market for the day. If you should roll this market from this place to this place, you have made a lot of money, so you are okay and you are good to go. You take your profit, you wait for next formation, then you open on another position. So that is how to trade the pattern M's and W's. So if you are getting if you are getting value from this powerful content, which I believe you are getting valuable content, valuable information from this, be sure to smash that like button, as I said earlier. And also, if you have not subscribed to this channel, be sure to smash that subscribe button. It's very, very important for us to grow. And also, if you want me to mentor you, I'm going to leave my WhatsApp number in the description of this video. Be sure to contact me. That is, I mean, serious-minded people only. Be sure to contact me via the WhatsApp. And when you are sending your message on WhatsApp, it means you are ready to kickstart your mentorship program. So that is how it is. If you want me to mentor, I'm going to leave my WhatsApp number in the description of this video, or my email address also is going to be in the description of this video. And also, I will advise every one of you that are watching this video, if you cannot afford to enroll on mentorship program, be sure to pick or grab a copy of those my books that I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video as well. Go through those books. They are going to help you to trade both synthetic indices and forex, that is currency pairs as well. So I am going to leave all those links in the description of this video. Just be sure to use log into any of those links that you want, and get in touch with me, and I am going to iron things out with you. Signing out, Olites. Peace.